Thank you. We are nowhere to Rum. Look us up on Facebook. Find us on SpaceCoastLive.com. That's where our schedule is. NowhereToRum.com. We got stuff there too. Make sure to see our official rum sponsor over here, Code Rum. Get a sample of that good stuff. Thank you to the brethren.
That's the big stage.
The big stage? Oh, the one you had to buy tickets to?
Fans entertaining everybody. Getting my cousin, Debbie, whatever. That's right.
Now what?
Huh?
I said, now what?
There'll be another one in about a half hour, 45 minutes after this band over here plays.
Oh, then they will play again.
There's somebody else. Remember, all of them on our stage are all volunteers. They're just getting their name out there, so they're not dying to be there. These guys got a free shot.
What do you mean free shot?
Well, their actual
Oh, they're sponsored.
Their sponsor is Code Rum. They actually have, they've written the actual Code Rum song. So they played the Code Rum song, and that's why he brought him out a bottle and a couple shots of
I didn't try the silver.
Well, you're a spiced fan. You like that sweeter spice.
It's a little sweet. Sweeter than cat.
I don't like it. Silver is just good. None of that extra spice, none of that extra sugar. Well, I was always a fan of Bacardi because the Bacardi silver is just so smooth and straight.
The Bacardi's too sweet for me.
Their silver is very smooth, very easy on the palate.
Where do they get their lobster?
Crab cakes. I don't know.